Welcome back, crafty friends, to Create with Miss Jane. It's a Christmas crafting time and I'm super excited because my little mini Christmas order just arrived today, so I can finally show you the mini catalogue September to December, and we're going to go through a few of the things that I got in my first little Christmas drop of products. So I'm super excited about this. If you would like to grab a catalogue, just let me know and I'd be happy to grab one and post it out to you. But this catalogue is jam-packed full of the most amazing, gorgeous Christmas products. There is a really beautiful stamp set here to commemorate breast cancer, which I'm really excited to get. I'm gonna have that on my wish list already, but there are some beautiful collections in here, some beautiful scrapbooking kits. I'm definitely excited to get this Keeping Traditions scrapbooking kit. And this Peaceful Days, this is another one that's on my wish list, so you'll see me creating with this in an upcoming video. I have to pace myself when it comes to Christmas products because I absolutely love Christmas crafting and making cards. So there's some Memories and More card pack here, and this is one of the things I got in my little mini Christmas haul today. So this is the Christmas Tags and More 6x6 Mix and Match Specialty Designer Series paper. That is a mouthful, but you can make some gorgeous little Christmas cards, Christmas tags. There's even some templates here on this side of the Mix and Match, which I did a video last year for Christmas with the Mix and Match range, so it's my favorite. So this is the 6x6 pad that I got, and this will go actually such a long way. I love the packaging for this, but I do actually store these in another little container, but you do get sheets of paper. This is me unboxing it for the first time, so it's super exciting. This is really great to create multiple cards too, because you get quite a lot of each particular piece of paper. So you've got this one, then you've got this one. This is really pretty, and then you've got that on the back. So I love these traditional Christmas colors. This is going to make a really nice card front or an element on your scrapbook page. So you can use this for scrapbooking, for Christmas card making, for Christmas tags. It's so versatile and beautiful. And so I love, love, love me some Christmas gingham. That is gorgeous. Beautiful traditional colors. And then you get the die cut sheets. Oh, I love these die cut sheets. They are amazing. So they're beautifully punch out die cuts, and you get looks like you get two of each design. So there's two different designs there, and you can see how easily they punch out because one already fell out. So how adorable are these? And I've actually made a card with some of this paper and the matching cards and envelopes. So we made this card a few weeks ago, and look how gorgeous this is. So it's a little bit of the matching paper. That's the card base, and then some of the little elements on there and some gold foil, and I will show you the sentiments in just a second. So these are the Christmas Greetings Mix and Match Specialty Cards and Envelopes. I like to use white card bases, so I didn't get these, but I'll probably definitely get those. And this is the Greetings for More Mix and Match Ephemera pack. So I definitely got that because I love the ephemera, and this is gold foil. So I've already opened this a little bit. These are so cute, and usually when I do open these, I save these little plastic things that the die cuts come in, and I use that to put my ephemera pieces in, so that's a great way to store them. But look how beautiful these ephemera are, and the best part about them is they're actually quite thick, sort of thick cardstock, but they're also stickers as well. So you get two sheets of this one, which are all the beautiful gold foiling sentiments for Christmas. These are going to be perfect. You can see the bigger ones you can pop on your scrapbook pages, and the smaller ones you can put onto your cards and tags. So you get another two of this particular set of sentiments, and then you get more sentiments. So you've got Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, all the different types of ways, seasons greetings from our home to yours. So this pack goes such a long way, and these are just so quick and easy, especially if you're not into stamping. I highly recommend grabbing that. So that is the Greetings for You Mix and Match Ephemera pack. I will have all of the products that I have purchased today in the comments below. And so that is the 6x6 pack. And then I also got some more goodies. I will just turn to the next page to show you the next few things. So we've got some stamp sets here, really, really cute stamp sets. So gorgeous. And then this is my favorite collection from the catalogue, so I had to grab this first. It's called Traditions of Christmas, and this is the most gorgeous paper pack. I have seen these die cuts in person. I have seen these stamp sets. Absolutely stunning. You've got an embossing folder there. You've got the gems, which I got and I will show you. And this is the suite. So this is the Christmas Traditions of Christmas suite collection. And you can get the full suite, but they are foiled papers. Or you can buy all the items individually. So I just bought the gems, which these are, what are these called? Traditional sparkly sequins. How beautiful. I have never seen such a more gorgeous, beautiful pack of sequins. And these are actually very flat, so they're not raised at all. So perfect to put in your scrapbooking layouts. I definitely think this is going to sell out for sure. That is just so stunning and beautiful. So I love that. And then we got the paper pack. So the paper pack is so cute, and we've got this adorable stamp set to look at as well. So I got white cardstock. Every time I order, I always get the white Willow cardstock 12 by 12. You can never have too much white cardstock. And this is the Traditions of Christmas 12 by 12 Specialty Designer Series paper pack. And it is, wait till you see this, it is absolutely stunning. So you've got your gingham, and then you've got this beautiful foil design. I don't know if you can see the lighting in my craft room is not the best today, but this foil paper, the foil designs on this paper is just gorgeous. Look at that. You could use this all year round, but particularly beautiful for Christmas layouts. So you've got your more subtle pattern on the back, perfect for scrapbooking, and then you've got your beautiful foil on the other side. So let's do the two pages together. I'm just so excited about this paper pack, but let's do the two pages together so you can see them. And then this one, I think this one's my favorite. I do love the pink one as well. So pretty. And then you've got this beautiful striking blue. You love a bit of a navy number. Can't go wrong with a navy stripe. Look at those pretty, beautiful flowers. And this one actually, you can cut the die cuts that go with this collection. Actually cuts out the foil paper, which I'm so excited about. So I'm definitely going to, this is the one where the die cut cuts out the paper. How gorgeous is that? Imagine how many beautiful Christmas cards, or even you could make a Christmas bag with that. So pretty. So I just love this paper pack. Is just divine. I definitely think it's going to be a sellout for sure. This is a lot of people's favorite collection. So that is the gorgeous paper pack. Highly recommend. If you can afford to buy the whole suite, I would recommend the suite. And I want to show you a scrapbook page that I've already completed. I'll show you the card first. So this is the card that we completed with the banner dies, and then you can see the little die cuts here. So this particular die cut here, Christmas Greenery. It's a beautiful standalone stamp set, but it also comes with matching dies, and the dies actually cut out the paper. So we've die cut this out from the designer series paper, and then I've just made a beautiful card. I haven't decorated the inside, but that is a gorgeous design. Thank you to my amazing team leader, Jackie Pake, for these beautiful designs. And this is the beautiful scrapbooking page we have already made with this paper, and I'll show you it a little bit close up. You've got the gold foil there, and you've got the strips of paper, and then this beautiful, I think this is cherry cobbler. That is the color of that one, or it might be real red. I'll have to check. But how beautiful are these foil die cuts? They're so pretty. So there are so many amazing stamp sets and stamps, embellishments, all sorts of stuff in this catalogue. It's so jam-packed full. There is something for absolutely everybody. The last thing I did get was this little Festive Friends stamp set, and I believe this is an online exclusive, but how sweet is this? I love colouring in Christmas stamps. One of my favourite things to do is stamp and colour in for Christmas. So this one's Festive Friends, and I couldn't resist. So this is a red rubber stamp, and it comes with your beautiful stamps. If you don't know that these cling stamps are actually being phased out by Stampin' Up. So if you see any red rubber stamps in this beautiful Christmas catalogue from September to December, make sure you grab them, because I don't know how long the cling stamps will be around for, but this is a beautiful cling stamp, so I can't wait to put that together. And it does come with matching die cuts as well, but I just think these are quite easy images to fussy cut out, so I didn't get the die cuts this time. I just got the stamp set, and that's okay. I love the freedom of Stampin' Up that you can do that. So this is another collection I will definitely be grabbing, and we'll be making some Christmas cards with this. This is the North Pole collection. So another beautiful suite, and it's got all of the cute little dogs, postage boxes, the little badger, the little bear. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I won't continue to show you the rest of the catalogue, but there are so many beautiful things inside this catalogue that you will just absolutely love them. So many scrapbooking card kits, so many beautiful stamp sets, embossing folders. This one, Lights of Aurora. There's some beautiful autumn papers. I absolutely love it. So if you want one of these mini catalogs, be sure to place your order online with me and you will receive a free mini catalog, or just follow me on Facebook. My page is Crafting with Miss Jane. Send me a message over there on Facebook and I'd love to send one out to you. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Happy Christmas crafting!